Hello students, how are you all? Yes, to be fine. Okay, now say my name is Gita Miss. Today our subject is English. Poem to Home Sweet Home. We have learned this poem. Okay, today revision. Today we will do revision of that poem. Okay, so learn it properly. See again, first we will do hard words. Hard words, number 1 is okay. Number 2, sticks. Number 3, mud. Okay. Number 4, blocks. Number 4, blocks. Number 5, stories. Number 6, under. This is your revision. Number 7, ocean. Number 8, windmill. Okay. Then number 9, above. Number 10, chimney. Okay. Number 11, safe. Number 12, sound. Okay. Number 13, you all know, it is family. We have done it. Number 14 is France. Number 15, adore. Okay. Now see, first we will read it, only we will read it. Home, sticks, blocks, stories, under, ocean, windmill. Above, chimney, safe, sound, family, friends, adore. Okay. Now we will read the lesson. What we will do? Read the lesson. This is your revision. So you also have to read it. This is a poem. Okay. You have to read it. I want you to read. Okay. See. A home can be made of sticks and mud, of great big blocks of snow. A home can be 20 stories tall, or down below, or under the ocean wide. Okay. See, a home can be made of sticks and mud, of great big blocks of snow. A home can be 20 stories tall, or in the ground below, or under the ocean wide. Okay. Now see. A home can have a mill above or a chimney on its side. A home can have a windmill above or chimney on its side. Home can be where you are safe and sound, or with family, friends and more. A home can be where you have on all that you adore. Okay, this is all revision. So you have read this poem. You have to learn it. A home can be made of sticks and mud, of great big blocks of snow. A home can be 20 stories tall, or in the ground below, or under the ocean wide. A home can have a windmill on its side. A home can be where you are safe and sound, or with family, friends and more. A home can be where you have and all that you adore. Have you understood? What is a home? A home is made sticks, mud. Yes, it is. It can be of snow. See here, I showed you in last lecture. This is snow. Okay, it is big. There are blocks in it. A home can have a windmill. It can have a chimney on its side. Okay, a home is where you are safe and sound. You all are safe at home nowadays. Okay, you are learning at home. Yes, you are with your family, friends at home, and then you are reading, writing, doing your work. You are playing. Okay. So a home can be where you have your hat and all that you adore. Yes, whatever you love, you are at home. Okay, what you want, everything will be at home. Okay, now see, blocks are large solid pieces, stories level or floors in a building. Windmill is a machine with long pieces of metal that turn when the wind blows. Okay. Chimney, it is a passage to let the smoke out of house. Sound is in good condition and odor is low. The meanings. But see, these meanings I told you to write in the book. You all also. Okay. See, blocks means large pieces. Blocks, large solid piece means a machine. Okay. Then sound. Sound is in good condition. Odor, low. You all know this is your revision. You only have to read it. Blocks, large solid pieces, read and learn. Windmill, a machine. Sound in good condition. Odor, meanings. Blocks, large solid pieces, windmill, a machine, sound in good condition, odor is low. Okay. Now fill in the blanks. This also we have done it. So today also we will do this. So you all know this. Okay. A home can be made of sticks and what will come? What I wrote in the spelling? Which spelling is this? Mud. Yes, you all know this. A home can be made of sticks and mud. M-U-D, mud. A dash can have a windmill above. What can have a windmill above? We have learned. And you know this. Home. H-O-M-E. Home. A home can have a windmill above. Okay. A home can be under the dash. Yes, this is your revision. You should know it. A home can be under the ocean. You all know the spelling of ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Now, a home can have a dash on its side. I have explained you that a home can have a chimney. What is the spelling? You all know. See, I am writing with me. Okay. You read with me. I wrote, you read. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y. A home can have a chimney on its side. Very good. Number 5. You can be safe and sound in a home. In a home. Now see. A home can be made of sticks and mud. A home can have a windmill. A home can be under the ocean. A home can have a chimney. You can be safe and sound in a... Okay. Now true or false. This also you know true or false. I already explained. Sentences which are true. Sentences which are wrong are false. Okay. A home can be made of sticks and mud. True. T-R-U-E. A home can be made of sticks and mud. A home can be 2 stories tall only. No, this sentence is false. Why? It cannot 2 stories. It can be 20 stories. It can be more than 20 stories tall also. So, a home can be multi-story building also. Okay, a home can be 2 stories tall only. False. F-A-L-S-E. False. Okay. Now, a home can be under the ocean. Home can be under the ocean. Yes, it can be under the ocean. Yes. You can be safe and sound in a forest. That is, we are not safe in the forest. We are not safe in the forest. We are safe at home. In the forest there are wild animals. Now, see, give one word. This is revision only. We will do revision only. Give one word. Levels or floors in a building. Words are given here. Okay. What you have to do? You have to read these words and give only one word. One word only you have to write. I had explained you. Levels or floors in a building. That is... What is that? You all know. Yes. It is stories. S-T-O-R-E-Y-S. Stories. And stories means floors. Okay. Number 2. A passage to let the smoke out of a house? You all know this? Yes, you all know it. See, I am writing. I am only writing the spelling. You spell it. What is this? What is this? Chimney. Very good. A passage to let the smoke out of a house. Chimney. Very good. You all know the. Now rhyming words. See the rhyming words. See the rhyming words. Sun. What I told you? Yeah. Burn. Sunburn. Rhyming words have the same sound. Same sound. Pat. Pat. Let. A little let. Yes. Ball. Fall or call. Call also will come. Kit. Beat. Kit. Beat. Dog. Dog. What I wrote? Log. Dog. Log. Okay. See. Sun. Burn. Pat. Bat. Ball. Fall. Kit. Beat. Dog. Log. Yes. Now see, this is reading comprehension. So, you have to read this. A home can be made of what it can become. There are two options. Sticks and leaves. Sticks and mud. The answer is sticks and. The answer is. What is the answer? Mud. A home can have stories. A home can be under the sun. You can be safe and sound in a home. Okay? See, in your home you can be with family and friends. Okay? In your home you can be with family, friends. Understood? Yes. Now there comes answer these questions. What are the things with which a home can be made? You read the question first. What are the things with which a home can be made? A home can be made. Things with which a home can be made. Here I told you mark. So you have to write in a sentence, full sentence. A home can be sticks and mud. What can a home have above it? Home have above it? A home, a windmill above it. A home can have a windmill above it. We have all done this. So now, see again I am showing you this. Read fast. You should know these spellings, hard words. Okay, I have tickled. Number 1, home. H-O-M-E, home. S-T-I-C-K-S, M-U-D, mud. B-L-O-C-K-S, block. S-T-O-R-E-Y-S, U-N-D-E-R. 7 number is O-C-E-A-N. Number 8, W-I-N-D, wind. Okay. Now, above. A-B-O-V-E, above. 10 number is chimney. C-H-I-M-N-E-Y. 11 is safe. S-A-F-E, safe. Number 12, S-O-U-N-D, sound. Number 13, family. F-A-M-I-L-Y. Number 14, F-R-I-E-N-D. Number 15, adore. Now you all hard words. You have to learn these hard words so that you can be able to read the poem. Okay? The poem, Sweet Home. What you will be able to read if you learn these words? You will be able to read the poem. You will be able to read the poem. Which poem? Sweet Home, Sweet. So again we will revise this. A home can be made of sticks and mud. A home can be made of sticks and mud. of great big blocks of snow. Of great big blocks of snow. See, there is a box. There are blocks of snow. A home can be 20 stories tall. It can be stories tall. Or in the ground below. It can be under the underground also, under the ground also, in the ground below, yes. Under the ocean wide, it can be under the ocean. A home can have a windmill above or chimney on, can have a chimney from where that smoke comes, no? So, chimney on its side, it can have one side a chimney. A home can be where you are safe and sound. Yes, you are safe and sound. You can be safe. You are happy. Okay, sound. You are taken care of at home. A home can be where you are safe and sound, or with family, friends and more. Yes, you are there with your family. You are there with your friends. During these days also you are enjoying at home with your family and friends. Okay, a home can be where you have all that you adore. Yes, a home is a place where you have your heart, where you knows, where you like to live with your friends, family, and all that you adore, and all that things which you love. Okay, you will get at home, your toys, everything what you want. Okay, see, I want you to learn this poem, so I am reading again and again. You have to try to read and sing it. A home can be made of sticks and mud, of great big blocks of snow. A home can be 20 stories tall, or in the ground below, or under the ocean wide. A home can have above or a chimney on its side. A home can be where you are safe, or with family, friends and more. A home can be where you have your heart and all that you adore. I want to learn this poem. See, yes, I want you all to learn this poem. A home can be made of sticks and mud. A home can be made of sticks and mud, of great big blocks of snow. A home can be 20 stories, or in the ground below, or under the wide. A home can have a windmill above or on its side. A home can be where you are safe and sound, or with family, friends and more. A home can be where you have your heart and all that you adore. You know, you have all learned, you all must be trying to learn this. You must be trying to read this and sing it. Okay, if you can, you have to learn this poem. Okay, yes. Then comes the meanings of this poem. You have to learn this meanings also and write it. How you have to write, how you have to give answer. See, blocks, B-L-O-C-K, blocks. The meaning of blocks are large, solid pieces. You have to learn the spelling of large, you have to learn the spelling of solid, you have to learn the spelling of pieces. L-A-R-G-E, L-I-D-E, solid. P-I-E-C-E-S, pieces. Windmill, machine. Now see the spelling of machine. M-A-C-H-I-N-E, sound. It is in good condition. Yes, our home is safe and sound. We are there. We are safe there. Adore is L-O-V-E. Okay. Now see, fill in the blanks of this poem. You have to recall this. Okay. This is your revision. So you all must be knowing only. You all are doing homework. I am checking it. Yes, a home can be made of sticks and mud. First blank is a home can be made of sticks and mud. See, mud you have to write. It is not written. It is a blank. So you are able to read it. A home can be made of sticks and mud. Mud you have to say it is a blank. A dash can have a windmill above. So in the blanks what will come? Home. A home can have a windmill above. You have to read this sentence also, so you can give the answer. A home can be under the ocean. A home can be under the. Number 4 is a home can have a chimney on its side. Yes, a home can have a chimney and be safe and sound in a home. Okay. Now true or false? A home can be made of sticks and mud. It is a home can be made of sticks. True. Okay, you read the spelling. See, a home can be made of sticks and mud. It is true. You have to write the spelling of true. True. Okay, TRUE means true. You have to learn this spelling. True. Number 2, a home can be 2 stories tall only. No, the sentence is false. A home can be 20 stories tall. A home can be 20 more stories also. So this sentence is false. Number 2. Number 3, a home can be under the ocean. Yes, many fishes are living in the ocean. They are living in the ocean. Okay, a home can be under the ocean also. True. Number 4 is you can be safe and sound in a forest. No, this sentence is not true. It is false. You can be safe and sound in a home. You cannot be safe and sound in the forest. In the forest there are wires. Okay. Now give one word. See, levels or floors in a building. That is levels or floors in a building. It is stories. STOREYS. Stories. Number 2 is a passage to let the smoke out of a house. That is chimney. A passage. See the spelling of passage. PASSAGE. Passage to let the smoke out of a house. Yes, chimney is a place from where smoke comes out. Okay. So again give one word. Give one word. There are words. You have to give one word. There are many words. Of that many words you have to write only one word. Levels or floors in a building. That is stories. STOREYS. Stories. Okay. Now number 2 is to let the smoke out of a house. That is. Now rhyming words. I told you again and again I am telling this. This is new for you. So I am repeating and I took revision also today so that you will be able to know rhyming words. See, rhyming words are the words which have same sound. Their sounds are same. S-U-N, sun, B-U-N, bun. Sun, bun. Okay, number 1. Sun, bun. S-U-N, sun, B-U-N, bun. Number 2 is P-E-T, pet, L-E-T, let, P-E-T, pet, L-E-T, let. Very good. Number 2, B-A-L-L, ball, F-A-L-L, fall. B-A-L-L, ball, F-A-L-L, fall. Ball, fall. Ball, fall. Very good. Kit. Now number 4 is kit, bit. Kit, bit. See, K-I-T, kit, B-I-T, bit. Bit. Number 5 is dog. D-O-G, dog, L-O-G, log. Dog, log. D-O-G, dog, L-O-G, log. See, again I am saying sun, bun, pet, let, ball, fall, kit, bit, dog, log. Yes. Now, see, now these also you have to read first, then only you will be able to tick correctly. Okay, tick the correct answer. Number 1, a home can be made of 2 boxes are given, 2 options are given, sticks and leaves, sticks and mud. So I have ticked the correct answer, sticks and mud. Okay. Now a home can have a 20 stories. 2 options are given, 20 stories or 10 stories. Now you know this stories is a floor. A home can have floors. You all know, no? Yes, so 20 stories. In our poem it is 20 stories. A home can have stories. Okay. Number 3. A home can be under the trees or under the ocean. It can be under the trees also. It can be under the ocean. The right answer is ocean. Okay. Yes. A home can be under the ocean. So there you have to tick the ocean. Okay. Now you can be safe and sound in a forest or home. You all know, no? Give me answer. Where is it? Tick is done. Yes, tick is in the home. You can be safe and sound in a home. Number 5. In your home, you can be with familiar friends, and other option is only family. So tick will be family and friends. Now you all are at home with your friends. Okay. See again, I will read it. A home can be made of sticks and mud. First. Number 2 is a home can have 20 stories. Number 3, a home can be under the ocean. You can be safe and sound in a home. Number 5, in your home you can be with family and friends. Okay. Now see these question answers. Okay. Questions, answers. So what is written? Answer these questions. You have to answer it. See, and the question will be written, answer will not be written. That you have to write. Okay. And that also, answers also you have to write in full sentence. Not in one word, full sentence. Question number 1. See again I am reading so that you will be able to read. What are the things with which a home can be made? What are the things with which can be made? Answer is a home can be made of sticks and mud. You all know this. I am telling now and then. What are the things with which a home can be made? Answer is a home can be made of sticks and mud. Yes, and when you finished your answer, you write. What you have to write? Full stop. Yes, and the answer is finished. You have to write full stop. And when the sentence starts, first letter should be capital. So your A home, A is capital. A home can be made of sticks and mud. First you have to write capital letter, then you have answer. And when the answer is finished, you have to write full stop. Okay? Understood question 1? Okay, see again. Again we will read. What are the things with which a home can be made? Answer is a home can be made of sticks and mud. Okay. Question number 2. What can a home have above it? Answer 2 is a home can have a windmill above it. See again question number 2. What can a home above it? A home can have windmill above it. Okay. So now today what we learned? What did we do today? We did poem 2. What we did? English. In English what we did? Poem 2. We did poem 2 full revision. What we did? Revision today. Okay. We did revision of poem Home Sweet Home. Yes. Now your work no properly. Yes. So now you are safe and sound at home. I think you all will do and revise this poem. You will read and learn this poem. Okay. Very good. Doing your work also. Yes. Yes. You all are doing your work and I have checking your homework also. You are doing your homework very well and I know you all are doing with your own handwriting. You are not letting your parents to do it. Okay? Yes. Okay. Take care and study well. Okay? Take